Hi, my name is Krista from Costain Systems Limited, an audiovisual system integration company based in Nairobi, Kenya. We recently purchased a container LED from ContainerLED in Poland, and we're very grateful to the support that we
Hello, welcome all
Hello.
of you on the ContainerLED webinar. We are in the headquarters of the ScreenLED company. We are manufacturing the biggest mobile screens available. This webinar will be about the ContainerLED, one of the biggest screen we have. We will speak today about the quality. We will speak about the possibilities of the mobile LED screens. With me is Joanna.
Hi.
And Michael.
Hello.
We will introduce for you all the biggest possibilities of the products we have. Michael, maybe you can say something.
Yes, of course. One more time, hello to everyone. And my name is Michael, and I'm responsible for the West Europe market, Africa and Arabic countries. And I'm happy to know that many of the clients I'm in touch with are participating in this webinar. So happy to see you, and we prepare for you excellent content. I hope you will enjoy it. And Joanna?
Yes, I would like to also welcome you for the third time. All my clients, my partners from German-speaking countries and Americas, welcome again.
We prepared for you special material from the production we have in here. We would like to share it with you and say a bit more about the things which one we are doing in the headquarters in our manufacturing. Please take a look.
Okay guys, and here is the place where the whole magic of ScreenLED happens. Here is our production hall. And here is the most important part of the production, which is the welding shop. Here we produce from the very first beginning the whole frames of the trailers. We build the frames for the screens here and all the most stable things, items in the trailers. The next step of the production is here, the mounting the walls and the floor to the frame. The next step is, you can follow me. Oh, here is another thing which I have to mention. We install the axles here. And the next step is we mount the masts together. We install the screens on the frames. And we prepare the whole trailers to be finished and checked by quality control. It means we are finishing the trailers, we are cleaning them here, calibrating the screens, preparing the whole electricity, and preparing everything for the individual quality control, and then the trailer is ready to go. In my bag, you can see also our newest stock of the screens that we always have here. And here is our cherry on the cake, our ContainerLED, and I would like to make Michał to talk about it.
Thank you, Joanna, for introducing our visitors and clients on the production department walkthrough. Indeed, this is the ScreenLED heart, and here we are with our most impressive and the main course of today's webinar, ContainerLED. So now let's take a look and closer look on it now. So just look at this masterpiece, how impressive the screen is, how spectacular it is, how unique it is. And now you probably wonder, what makes this unit so solid and reliable? We need to talk about the understructure. High quality galvanized steel, hydraulic outriggers, which function is to lift the system and drop it whenever you want, makes it a mobile solution. The hydraulic outriggers are also for the purpose of stabilizing the whole unit. The electrical part, which apart from the aesthetic, as you can see the lighting above the outriggers, the very important feature here is not only the aesthetic but also the safety. Lighting protection included. IP65 for the all outdoor components included as well. So we put a lot of effort to make this unit very safe, very flexible, very reliable, and also easy to work. So let's just take a look on what's very impressive as well. Here we are talking about the screen, yes. The substructure of the frame, the huge 6 pieces telescopic powder-coated mast, galvanized. This is a piece of steel. all of it, you can imagine, is controlled by a remote control. Just use one button on this remote controller, 16 functions for the lifting up the system, for rotating the screen, for also lifting the out triggers. So basically, using the small device like this, you can operate a huge unit, like you can see just now. And the important part for the safety and for the comfort of your operation is the polycarbonate roof, which protects you from the rain and other weather environment and conditions. Okay, let's go outside now, and while leaving, having again one more time a look at the screen and at the whole unit and the construction. It's important to mention that all of our products are covering the high standards of CE, German TÜV, and also DIN norm for machinery norm. And this is very important for the safety and reliability of our products, because really those standards are high restrictions, which we are proud to say we cover 100%.
I hope you enjoyed this film. We made it because many of our customers were asking how we actually build the trailers. Where are they from? Are we using some sub-materials taken from other factories or from other sources? No, we actually proved here that we are making them from the very first beginning, from the very first item here. We build them in our designed welding shop. The designer is here with us, next floor. To the production, and we showed that every step of this trailer is made and designed here. We don't get any ready materials. Also, we wanted to show you here that everything is not even produced here but held here. Here we also have our stock of the screens that we gonna guarantee, and we are proving that we have the screens here all the time for our purposes, for our trailers, for our production. So safety production is held here. But the cake on this film, the cherry on the cake, was the container.
Yes, of course. As you probably already saw, this is the unit for big players, right? ContainerLED, it's something that you need to rely on. So the reliability of the product is our top priority here. One more time to summarize the unit, what you get there is the high quality S55 steel understructure and the massive unfolding frame for the screen. And it's not magic that a screen like this comes into so compact unit. It's just smart engineering of our design engineers. Not only that, but also 360-degree screen rotation and self-lifting hydraulic system, what makes it mobile. We call it a masterpiece, and I'm proud to say that.
Yeah, like the whole idea of the company here is to make everything mobile by smart engineering, right?
Correct.
So not only the container, which is our, as I said, cherry on the cake, but the other trailers is the mobile solutions.
Of course.
Why we do that?
So I think it's a good time for now to compare why the mobile solutions have a lot of advantages over fixed constructions, the structures, so-called truss. So first of all, with mobile LED trailers, mobile LED solutions, of course this is mobile, so you save time, you save your money. Complicated logistic when you have to deliver the whole construction. Well, logistics, team of workers to be ready to assemble this. Sometimes it takes over 1 day to complete the structure. With a mobile LED screen, it can take you, like with a mobile LED, for example, or platform LED, less than 20 minutes. With a container LED, with one person, one operator. So it's easy to decide what's better here, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so the idea of the company is from the small units to big projects.
Correct. And talking about the projects and the projects we are taken by our clients, we have a lot of regular customers who come back to us. So when you get yourself a mobile LED solution, you don't stop because you instantly see the benefits of it. So we are happy and proud to say that most of our clients are the regular clients. And talking about the clients, very important is relationship with the customer. So I think it's now a right time to move to France, where we paid our client a visit, and I hope Vincent from Locatech is watching us now. And once more time, we'd like to thank him that he was so hospitable to us and perform ContainerLED operation by himself. It took him like less than 40 minutes to get it ready. And also, what else interesting there, we perform, me personally, the interview with him when he shares his insights on the product. So be prepared for this nice material we got ready for you now, and hope you enjoy it.
Hello everyone, this is Michael from ScreenNet Poland, and today we have paid a visit to our valuable customer, Vincent from Locatech. And Vincent, we would like to thank you very much for having us here, for a pleasant meeting and the time spent here. And we would like to talk and discuss the thing about mobile LED solutions and about the product ContainerLED, which we are presenting to you today. So, Vincent, first of all, why do you think mobile solutions are better than fixed constructions, and why companies prefer mobile solutions?
Hi, Michael.
Hello.
I speak French. It's more easy for French people.
Okay, good.
Pourquoi la solution du mobile, de la solution mobile? Pour plusieurs raisons. La première, c'est que on utilise un outil rapide à installer, qui nécessite une seule personne. Ça, c'est le premier critère de rapidité. Bien sûr, il faut des compétences, un petit peu de formation pour connaître l'outil. La deuxième raison, la sécurité. Security is very important in France, parce qu'on a un outil homologué qui résiste au vent, donc qui est sûr et qui permet aux clients d'utiliser un outil, un écran en extérieur dans toute situation et en ayant une certitude que ça tient et que ça résiste mécaniquement aux conditions extérieures. Très important. La troisième raison, la rapidité, parce que assembler 63 mètres carrés en 1 heure, ce n'est pas possible autrement que la solution mobile. Voilà.
So, as we just heard from Vincent, it is really an important factor of the mobile LED solution comparing to fixed construction, that it is fast, this is in less than 1 hour ready to work, and what matters a lot is also the mobility of the unit and the safety. So everything collected together makes it an easy choice in comparison to truss construction and possibly giving you a quick return of investment. So now talking about return on investment, do you think it's possible to have the return on investment for this kind of product in, let's say, less than 1 year?
Alors, j'aborderai encore une fois, je vais dire le retour investissement, au-delà de ça, avant le retour investissement, la sécurité prime. C'est the first argument pour utiliser un écran. Ça, c'est le premier, c'est la sécurité. Le deuxième, on va aborder la rentabilité sur l'investissement, le retour sur investissement. Il est déjà, pour nous, c'est pour ça qu'on a choisi cet outil-là, c'est que c'est un excellent retour sur investissement, parce que ça va vite, très rapide pour le monter, une seule personne, et le prix de location, il est, chez nous, il est de 10 000 € pour un 63 mètres carrés. Alors évidemment, ce n'est pas un outil qu'on va rentabiliser en 1 an. Mais en 5 ans, il est largement rentabilisé. Je dirais 3 ans pour être optimiste, l'outil, enfin l'écran est rentabilisé. Donc, excellent investissement, excellente sécurité, rapidité et beauté. On peut parler aussi d'un look. Le look de l'écran, il est parfait.
So it's important to emphasize that in terms of return on investment for that ContainerLED product, you need to think about how you save your money, also not only by getting your payment back for the contract, but also you save money by reducing the team of workers, the storage you need to have for the construction of truss, the security for the construction of the screen. So all of this matters regarding the screen construction, which is fixed, you are saving a lot by choosing a mobile LED solution. So this is a very important factor, which helps you get your return of investment very quickly. So that's why we found it an answer for the business development, especially in LED industry. So, but also we need to point out that if you'd like to efficiently run a business with mobile LED solution, you need to know that the quality of the product is very important. You need to rely on the product. You need to be sure that this product won't let you down. So, going into this, Vincent, how do you see the quality of ContainerLED made by ScreenLED?
Alors, il y a 2 choses dans le conteneur LED. D'abord, il faut un bon écran, un bon fabricant d'écran, parce qu'on peut avoir une bonne partie mécanique, mais si on n'a pas un bon fabricant d'écran LED, l'un ne va pas sans l'autre. C'est ensemble, les 2 fabricants d'écran LED et le fabricant du conteneur vont ensemble. Donc, il faut d'abord choisir un bon fabricant d'écran LED et un très bon fabricant de conteneurs.
Happy to hear that.
Yes, et on vous a choisi ScreenLED parce que la fabrication est de très bonne qualité. Nous l'avons utilisé depuis plus d'1 an et demi. on n'a aucun souci, aucun problème de fonctionnement sur le conteneur. Les clients sont extrêmement satisfaits de la qualité et la vue d'ensemble du conteneur. Et à l'utilisation, c'est rapide, comme je l'ai dit auparavant, c'est fiable. Et la satisfaction du client, c'est la meilleure réponse qu'on a quand on vend notre produit. On vend un produit d'un certain prix, on se doit d'offrir la meilleure qualité pour le client. Et nous sommes fiers d'avoir collaboré ensemble. Et je remercie le prix que tu m'as remis tout à l'heure, parce que c'est pour nous aussi une fierté. Et on est aussi satisfait de défendre notre fabricant pour dire vous êtes ou vous faites partie des meilleurs fabricants.
I'm very happy to hear that, and as you probably already noticed, Vincent is a proud owner of not only one but two container LEDs made by ContainerLED. So it proves how trustworthy ContainerLED is, and the products are very top quality, which are giving you a go with your business. So it is important to mention about quality, and also not only the product but the after-sale service and how the company care about the customer after delivering the product. So you already mentioned a little bit about it, Vincent, but how from 1 to 10, how do you rate ContainerLED after-sale service? How do you feel our customer support?
Je dirais que ContainerLED a un excellent conseil en termes de qualité, de suivi du produit. Vous êtes venu ici la première fois pour la mise en route, pour tous les conseils de fonctionnement, d'utilisation, parce qu'un outil comme un conteneur, c'est 14 tonnes, c'est beaucoup d'hydraulique. Donc il faut être bien conseillé dès le départ sur le fonctionnement, et c'est ce que ContainerLED a pu nous apporter en conseil, en utilisation, et puis je dirais le service après-vente, je dirais que le service après-vente est le meilleur lorsqu'on n'en a pas besoin. Et c'est aujourd'hui le cas. On n'a jamais eu de problème avec le conteneur, jamais de problème mécanique, et ça fonctionne extrêmement bien, et c'est un investissement sûr et rentable.
Thank you very much,
Merci, Michael.
Thank you.
Les containers LED de chez ContainerLED ont une réelle fiabilité pour nous. Ça a apporté que du plus pour notre entreprise. Ils permettent d'être mis en place très rapidement par l'ensemble de nos techniciens. En 1 heure, ils peuvent avoir déposé l'écran au sol et l'avoir monté. On gagne autant en fiabilité parce que le produit est robuste et normé par rapport au vent, qu'en qualité et en rapidité d'installation, et le produit est réellement beau et fonctionnel.
Welcome back into the studio. Thank you very much, Vincent, for the interview. Michael, you were there. Can you tell me what was the experience and how you feel it with the container?
Sure. Well, first of all, what a great review of our product from the client. There's nothing better than a satisfied customer, and also a small surprise for you, comment from operation manager, Ombre. Thank you to you too. The employees of Locatech also, as you can see, really appreciate the product and how easy it is for them also to use it. So for sure, what Vincent noted here, especially is apart from the quality and apart from the mobility and functionality of the unit, also the safety. So it's very important to say that our products are really very well tested and certified, all under German TÜV requirements. So this assures you that the product is safe. It's very safe. This is IP65 waterproof, wind resistance, so reliability is our top priority, as I already said, and it won't let you down. That's what I could say about the visit from France. We really enjoy it, and one more time, thank you, Vincent, thank you, Locatech, and everyone who gave us this very good possibility to use the product, to present the product, to see how the client performs the operation, and also the nice interview. Thank you very much.
He's not, as far as I know, he's not the only customer who is having our container. There are much more of them. For example, one of the trailers, the container that we were showing on the factory was the one that belongs to our customer in Sweden. And you also have some feedback from him, right?
Exactly. Hello, hello, Eric. The container which Eric you have seen also on the video belongs to Eric, to the Viriba company. For the last few months, he was all the time in use. Eric was all the time busy with the events, and the container didn't have a time to come back to us to install the generator. So as you see, you can cooperate with the generator or without. And next week the container is coming back to Eric, but he records short video for us to tell us what he's think about the container. Please take a look.
Les containers.
Hi, my name is Eric and I'm the CEO of the company Viriba in Sweden. We are using one ContainerLED 63 square meter from ScreenLED, and we are very happy about it. One of the best things is that one technician can operate the whole thing, can set it up, operate it, take it down and drive it, and that makes us very happy. After we bought it, we got a lot of new customers all around Europe, and we are expanding the business due to just that product. Our contact with ScreenLED has been perfect all the way, and it's been a quick response, quick problem solving, and we are very pleased to recommend ScreenLED for all you other customers around Europe.
Thank you, Eric, for the good words. As you can see, Eric is all the time busy with the container. With the generator, which one we installed right now, the container will be totally independent, so you can use it everywhere you want to.
Right.
And we really suggest also with the futures to add it to get totally independent product. As also what Eric said, it's 63 square meters. That's
Yes.
important to say. It's a huge screen which one can be used for all kind of events.
Correct. The one you just saw on the production video. This is 63 square meter screen. It's a really huge surface of the screen, so letting you run most of the events, rental business and concerts, showcases, and also good to mention that Vincent also was using this unit for the military showcases, where thousands of people were participating. So flexibility and business development opportunities here are limitless, really limitless.
And from the other side, we have France, Sweden, and then also this container is also in very exotic place, which is Kenya. And
Right.
there is also a customer from Kenya, from Africa. They have it, they use it, and let's hear a few words from them.
Hi, my name is Krista from Precision Systems Limited, an audiovisual system integration company based in Nairobi, Kenya. We recently purchased a ContainerLED from ContainerLED in Poland, and we're very grateful to the support that we received from the team, that is Mikhail and his team. Right from the moment we decided to purchase this unit up until the arrival of the unit here in Nairobi. Our client, Kenya Film and Classification Board, are also very happy with this solution, as it will help them achieve the objective for the mobile Nairobi cinema project, where they plan to reach out to the people, especially in the interior areas, and be able to give them movie theater kind of experience, for them to be able to just have a feel and enjoy content and film that has been created and produced locally by the local film industry. We're very grateful, and we also hope that this will open more doors and enable us to purchase more units that can be able to improve the film industry in Kenya. Thank you.
Welcome back, and this was a small surprise for you from our client from Kenya, Precision Systems Limited. Just right before the webinar starts, we received a short video from them with a nice review of the container. Probably there was a little bit of noise during the video, which we apologize for, but this was really out of the blue before we get started here. But to summarize what Priska just said, it's simply that the unit works very well, cooperates in any conditions in Kenya, and also they are very happy with the quality and of the product overall. So we are very happy to have so nice feedback from our clients from all around the world. And now I think it's a right time to get closer to you and talk to you in person. You can use the live chat, which is available for you down below in this webinar chat. So feel free to ask us any question about the product, availability, or anything else regarding the mobile LED solution. So go ahead now.
I also want to mention that with us on our back of the studio is our constructor that works with us. He's the
yes,
guy.
right.
He's shy. He doesn't want to go in front of the cameras, but we got him from Volkswagen actually, and
yes,
he was
true.
designing for the Volkswagen. Right now he's working with us. So if you have any technical questions that we wouldn't be able to answer, he will be free.
Yes,
to
he's also available for you.
Yeah.
So if you have any questions, this is just a right time. Of course, we can individually get in touch with you if you'd like to know any details about the specification, the pricing, and anything else regarding the product. Feel free to contact us via email, phone, or of course you can also schedule a video meeting on the website. So there is a lot of access to get in touch with the sales managers from ScreenLED. Go ahead.
Or there's no more questions, no questions. There's one person who's asking for the price. The price will be sent to you directly. Please write down your email address, and guys will reply. I don't know which country you're from, so we're gonna send you the quotation by mail.
What's the maximum screen size that is possible? That's a good question. Basically, we are aiming to standardize our production, and we are offering 45 square meters container, 63 square meters container, which is basically the best-selling one here in ScreenLED. But also individually, we are able to take over the project for the bigger screens, for instance, 84 square meters. So if you'd like to have the quotation of this kind, feel free to contact us via email, so we will prepare best offer for you. It seems that we have already touched a lot of matters regarding the product, specification, technicals, the unfolding, the operation, and more. That's why looks like. Oh, hello, Julian. This is our valuable client. And there is a question: what do you recommend for transport? Of course, we need to divide two types of transport for the container, which first is delivering the container to the client, and later on using the container as a mobile LED solution. So this unit is designed to be attached or assembled or fixed on BDF frame of the truck. You have a hook points where you can assemble the container LED and deliver with the trucks to any location you need. Happy to say that container LED is a self-lifting system construction. So by using only one device and clicking one button, you can lift the system and drop it down on the floor, on the ground, and have it ready to work. So this is about the transportation, Julian.
Okay, the next question: is it possible to combine containers to a bigger screen? As Michał just said, there is possibility to do that. However, it's going to be a custom. We are working on this project. It's not ready yet. We are working on it. Our standardized screen size is 63 square meters. Bigger one as 84. We are working on it.
Yes, we have already tested many solutions. The thing is, we need to prepare another project for the bigger frame. So this is also available, but please let us know what's your lead time, what your expectations, when you would like to have this ready, and we can take over the project, no problem.
Yes, because I think it's good time, if we don't have any more questions, to mention about our action.
Of course.
Special offer, yeah.
Yes, right now we are talking about the containers also for one good reason, because we also want to, as the new upcoming year event year is going to be quite intense. So we want to inform you that we are able to make 2 containers within June. 63 square meters containers within
Correct.
June can be ready. Of course, any other not standardized project also can be done. Unfortunately, not within this time. But as we know, as we see how the next year is going to look like, we are going to have ready to pick up by June 2 containers.
Yes, because we already have scheduled the production of those.
Yes.
We have already a lot of orders placed, and the year is almost fully booked with the mobile LED trailers, which can take into 15 square meters, 21 square meters screens, 28 square meters screen. We're talking about trailers here. Platform LED, which is an open bed type trailer. Container LED already we have booked several units, and also in advance we have planned to build more 2 units ready to go on stock for our customers, and this is going to be ready. I'm glad you said about this, Joanna, in June.
By June, yes. Also, when you were mentioning about our production, there is also a very nice surprise, I hope, for Americans, for American market, because we are preparing a quite interesting surprise for the American market. We are going to be showing it in April in a NAB show in Las Vegas. This is going to be a totally different and bigger unit that we normally produce. This is going to be a mobile LED triple axle with 36 square meters, and this is going to be something huge. We are very excited to show that on that show, but it's not yet in the regular production. However, this is something new coming, so we are very excited about this.
Yes, that's why the relationship with you is very important for us, because a lot of insight and advices are being provided straight by you when we meet you during the
shows,
events,
webinars,
shows,
phone calls.
So this is very important to us. And last but not least, we need to mention about the special offer for those who like.
I'm sorry,
to
before you
order.
do that, I'm sorry.
Okay.
There's one more question. Is it possible to add PA wings to the system? Sorry, I just didn't want to miss Noise Toys. I think I know them. The PAs, the wings. Can we add the PA wings on the container, Rafał? Can we do that? I'm sorry. He has to check that, but probably, yeah, we have to check that. Okay, nagłośnienie. Okay, thank you. Well, we are not providing the PA, but we do have wings for that. We can add the wings for that.
Yes,
which must
correct.
be actually checked. Well, depending on what kind of panels, what kind of screen. But our constructor has to check that. But of course, we are open for possibilities.
Because basically the bars which would be hanged next to the frame for sure is available for the smaller screens, like mobile at 15 and 21 square meters, when we can hang the speakers on. With a container LED, probably you would have to check it. More likely, you can also be able to attach your own audio system separately. There's always a chance to have this done. We could be taking over this inquiry individually with you if you'd like to contact us directly, all right?
Okay, so now we can come back to this big action that we were just about to tell.
Yes,
if there's no more questions,
for everyone who is participating in this webinar,
yes,
we are offering lower deposit for starting the project with ContainerLED, which is only 30% of the deposit comparing to the previous 50. So we're dropping 20% of the total value of the deposit for you, so giving you easier start of the project.
And having them ready by June.
Yes, if you manage to take those already planned 2 units before somebody else got them, you can have them ready very soon, very soon.
And it's still a good time to get them ready before the Olympic Games and before the
Yes.
Euro, which one is in.
Glad you mentioned. Yes,
in
Olympic
summer,
Games
yeah.
I'm covering. Euro 2024 is coming. So and a lot of more of events also ahead. So this proves that mobile LED solutions are going to be highly needed very soon.
Okay, and also being here with you, I want to remind you about our special offer for the all enclosed trailers. Minus 20%
Yes.
for all enclosed versions in all sizes. Also, we have a lower price of the screens. And also only 30% of deposit. So you are able to be prepared before the season starts.
Correct.
So if you need a smaller trailer than the container, it's a great chance to order it in our promotion, in our promo offer. If we have more question, yeah.
Yes, it seems maybe there's one more question.
Which
as we are going.
DGUV certification have the container for the German TIF? This is my subject. I'm not sure what is DGUF, but do you mean the German TIF? Do you mean the Baubuch, for the German Baubuch? If you could please. Oh, that's Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Thank you for joining. If you could be more specific in this question, you can ask me this question here or by mail. Oh, for the Baubuch. So, which DGUV? Hi. So, you know what? Let me just check that with Christian from TIF Thüringen, and I will give you the reply about this, okay? It's just a little bit a subject from outside of the company that we have to check, and yeah, I have to talk to Christian from TIF, from Jena. Which winds the speed in the... Okay, what is the wind resistance in the containers? Is it the same as... Could you please...
Yeah, the wind resistance is certified for up to 15 meters per second. I'm not afraid to say that the construction is a little bit stronger, but this is the amount we
okay, and
can
what is
declare.
the maximum? Thomas is asking, what is the maximum? Rafał, can you tell us how much, you know, how much?
Around 20, yeah.
None of the
20.
containers had fallen yet. It proves that
It proves
for
true.
all of the time since we have started the production, the container is really reliable and solid made. On the declaration, for example, for TÜV, we can proudly comment on 15 meters per
Yes,
second.
this is officially, yes. And it's
Officially, but we believe this is stronger than that.
It's not even we believed, we calculated it. Rafał made these calculations, and
Right.
the steel that we are using, the constructions that we are building, they are resistance for bigger than Baubuch requests.
And we also heard it from our customers. That's also important. With the feedback which we get from them, there's not
Yes.
always you cannot fold the container screen in a few seconds after wind is a little bit too high. So that's also important information which we get with the feedback we have from the customers.
Right.
And also the main information is no any of our screen didn't fall. So it's always a good time to put it
Right.
back in the right time.
What's the next question?
Thomas, I'm going to come back to you by mail regarding this TGUV certification. Okay? Thank you. Okay, any more questions? It's very interesting that you guys... I'm sorry. Hi, Stefan. If you provide our screen, how long would it take to mount it to the container? If we want to fit within this time, within June delivery, you would have to give us, you would have to confirm the panels right away, because then we are skipping some of the operations in the production, and then we are adjusting it to your panels. So as soon as possible, the production is starting, I think, within just after the year. The new year, and so the sooner the better, but by June you will have it.
The container LEDs which are already scheduled for June are designed for particular screen already. We need to have your screen specification already to check if we can manage and adjust your screen project and the specification with the current container
Design.
production
Okay.
schedule and,
Yeah.
and its design.
Yeah.
So we can have this discussed individually.
But it is possible. It
it's
is possible. Yeah.
Of course, we need to mention that we install customer screens on our trailers. We also provide the screens from Unilumin, which we find very a good one for the sake of the trailers and how it cooperates with our frames.
And
it
what
gives-
our customers say about them, that they are
Yes.
so easy,
yes,
easy-going panels.
correct.
Perfect
Very
quality.
durable, giving very nice picture, great resolution, sharp image there, refresh rate, also a lot of certifications, water resistance and more. So this is the screens we are recommend for our trailers. But of course, if you have your own, you are free to go. With this, just let us know what the screen is going to be chosen, and we would be happy to take over this project as well.
Okay, Norbert is asking how much power is it needed for the big screen to build it up and work with it? Is space in the container for a generator?
Yes, in the container there's a space for
Of course.
generator. We our designer scheduled a special place for it, and the container. How big
How
is-
much power is it need for the bigger screen, for the 60?
It depends.
It depends from the screen, but if we talk about the 63 square meters.
And what about our Unilumin panels? Because the power consumption
It depends, of course, on the
panels.
pixel pitch.
Pixel, yeah.
More basically, it's depending on the screen size. And one cabinet, for example, of Unilumin screen with its maximum power consumption can take from 3 to 380 watts. Combining it into more panels, let's say 56 cabinets, which are giving 28 square meters, you have to multiply this and giving you the average power consumption, which would be around 50 kilowatts. But
per square meters, right? Square meter.
I mean, no, the whole screen.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The
Yeah,
whole
okay.
screen.
Yeah.
The whole screen, more or less, will giving you between 11 to 15 kilowatts of the power consumption. So good to mention already that power generator will provide it. For ContainerLED, would be around 60.
with the biggest screen we have? Yeah, with the 63 square
Of course,
meters.
yeah, we need to add up the information that ContainerLED about the power generator, right? We need to mention that the power generator we are providing is capable of providing up to 60 kilowatts power. So on the full fuel tank, it gives you the possibility to run the showcase for the whole day. Completely independent unit. So that's the biggest advantage of the container. Yes. Our friends, our engineers are saying that from time to time, it depends, of course, on the level of brightness
Fred is asking
and
in
pixel
French.
pitch.
Oh my
So that
God.
differs as well.
Fred, could you please write it down in English or in German? I will try to translate it, but English will be preferable. Thank you. Thomas, for the LED side wings, the folding mechanism is hydraulically controlled. Does the hydraulic hose have to be reconnected and disconnected with each installation? No.
No, definitely no. It's done once, and you don't have to do it each time you will move the container.
Yes, it's pre-designed to be fixed construction when it comes to the frame and the screen. Of course, you can run a service on it, back on or front if you prefer. It depends also on the screen. So it's designed in a way that the four parts of the screen divided, joining together, giving you the flat surface with the wings. With the container, those are hydraulic wings, actuators, which are make the screen being folded. And with a mobile LED platform, these are electric actuators to unfold the whole surface.
Yeah, Fred, you asked about the suppliers. Yes, it is Unilumin, and we are using the series URM3
Right.
Pixel 3.9, which is, in my opinion, lately a game changer.
Yeah, come on, let's say it's the best.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's
let's say
actually the
one.
best one we used before. Our customers are coming back from them. They are buying them extra. They want to have them for the stable construction as well. This is like really game-changing panels
Yes.
so far.
Really well-made
Yes.
screen.
And that is why we are going to have, and they are actually in the production and going to be delivered about 1,000 square meters in our warehouse, and we are working on
Wow.
having this 1,000 square meters of the screens here for the curtain for the regular production.
Yes, this means that the trailer availability and the container LED availability, all the mobile LED solution, ready to go to the clients much faster than in the previous years, because all the screens are ready to take for the trailers right away.
Yeah. My English is learning. Thank you, Fred. We understood. Thank you. Okay, so do we have more questions? I think we said everything.
Yes, everything, a lot already has been said by us, by our clients, and some videos also got you a glance about our insights of the production, specification of the unit, and more. If you would like to know anything else, get some details about particular product, container LED, mobile LED, platform LED, our new product, Simple LED, which is a good start for somebody who is going ahead with renting of the mobile solutions business, feel free to contact each of us directly on email. You can call us anytime. Also, you can, of course, as I mentioned before, schedule a video meeting with us through our website, screenled.com. So we are inviting you to go ahead and ask and get your pricing, get your specification, and get your business started.
And I would like to also ask you to send us a feedback. That will be also very highly appreciated, because we are working here as a team. And so your feedback, if you missed any information, if you would like to know a little bit more about other parts of the company, other parts of production of our business, then let us know what is your feedback about this.
Yes, what would you like to see? What else you would like to hear
from us?
How do you see these webinars? If you like to change anything, your feedback is really appreciated.
Yes, if you missed some information that we have on our website, on the correspondence with you, if you need something more, your feedback will be highly appreciated, because then we know what is missing that we work with.
Yes, this is how we develop ScreenLED, by feedback from our clients.
Yeah. Okay, so I don't know if we still have time, but I would like to use this time also to tell you that we are going to meet with you once again at 6 p.m. So if you are available or still want to learn more, because probably it's also going to be online and live.
Yes,
so
pretty much the same webinar, but for those who are in a different parts of the world, when the time frame, of course, is different, time zone. So that's why we are doubling this webinar for more or less USA, New Zealand, Australian customers, Japan, and more. So feel free to schedule your time also for 6 o'clock webinar.
Yeah, sorry, I have to interrupt. Stefan Gele is asking if he's still possible to order before June. Yes, you are, because the June delivery is only considering containers, the big projects. However, other products like the trailers, we have a stable production. So yes, whenever you placed, well, the sooner the better. You place the order by June, you should have it. Of course, it's better to have this order latest by what, let's say end of this year, or June, or January, to be sure that you're gonna have it by June. But yes, you have. It's okay. Okay, we have still more questions. Made you manufacture on demand? Made you manufacture on demand?
How is the warranty handled? Do you have engineers in Europe, or the container or mobile LED displays need to be sent back to the factory, especially platform LED? Okay, I think we got a few questions double. There is one about the warranty and after sales service.
for sure we can manufacture before demand the
Thank you,
Olympic
Jan.
Games. Yeah.
About the warranty, all depends what basically happens. We put a lot of effort so the units are reliable. But if you need any assistance and any service, first you need to report what happened basically, and mostly we are sending spare parts for the client to replace. This comes to the screen replacement, mostly the modules. You already probably know that the modules are going to have to be replaced sooner or later. This is also something that we find important to mention, that overall service and maintenance on the trailers, on the containers is important, but there is not too much to do on it, as just frequently checking the oil liquid levels there, the mast moisturing to be checked, so the mast which is lifting the screen is going smoothly. We haven't found too many complaints after all. So if there is something else you would like to have installed, like for instance power generator from Eric from Viriba, he delivered his container from Sweden here, so we can install a new power generator, making his unit more independent. It all to be discussed individually, but we are doing our best, so you won't miss any contract or job or event, any showcase being scheduled in your calendar.
But that's also important with with the screens which we are also selling in our offers. There are the 5% of the spare parts, so you can be sure you will get the parts directly with you. If something happens after it, we of course
you can also have
and
more.
we already
you
giving
can of course have more, but like a 5% right now, it's a standard offer from us. So you are sure you have a spare part in your place directly to exchange if something wrong happens.
Right. Good you mentioned about it.
Also regards to Malta from Poland, and to Agata from Poland.
Hi, and hi Agata. We are very happy that you joined, that you enjoy the webinar.
Okay, if there is no more question, and Stefan, the platform LED, yes, you can. If you place the order within this year, you're gonna you're gonna have the 30% deposit only. Within January, if you are if you join the webinar, I'm sure by January also the 30% would be accepted, and yes, you can have the platform before June. That's for sure.
Yes, for all of those who join the webinar, this is a priority for you to get the discount, 30% for the LED trailers, Mobi-LED in particular, a certain configuration, ContainerLED, 30% only of the deposit, and also don't forget 2 ContainerLEDs are already scheduled in stock, going to be ready in June. Take them before somebody else will. Yeah, and basically I think that would be it for this time webinar.
Yeah, we would like to thank you very much for your time, for participating, for the questions which you get. If you will need any more information, contact us directly from the site, from the phone. We have a lot of possibilities right now to contact. We will answer, of course, as soon as possible.
Don't forget your feedback about the webinar, and if you have more questions, just let us know. Thank you so much for
Thank you very
having
much.
us.
Hope you enjoyed this one more time, and see you on the next webinar. You're going to be invited for sure. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.